still. Ah,
Look over, buddy.
there we go. All right. What happened to the tooth?
I don't know.
Okay. Yes, close your eyeballs. Close those eyeballs. Good. Great. Very good. Very good.
Good for you.
Nice.
Oh, wow.